guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. So recently I was in New York and I went to Five Below. If you guys don't know about Five Below, it's basically a store where everything is under $5. And there I found so many slime kits, so I thought it'd be really fun to like try them out and like see if they're any good. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. But before we get started with the video, I want to give out a huge shout out to my notification squad. Thank you guys so much for your comments. And if you aren't part of the notification squad, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and leave me a comment down below to be featured in my next one. With that all being said now, let's get started with today's video. Okay guys, so the first kit I'm going to be testing out is the Holographic Slimy Glue Kit. It comes with glitter glue, 2 packs of glitter, sodium tetraborate, which is basically borax, a mixing spoon, mixing stick, and a measuring cup. I will be following the instructions. So the first step is to add 3 ounces of warm water into a bowl. And then you have to add a spoonful of borax and mix that in until it is completely dissolved. Here is the glitter glue and it is so pretty. I opened the flash on my phone just to show you guys how sparkly this glitter is. So the next step is to add the glitter glue to the solution and you want to start mixing it in. Now this step I will say is kind of unnecessary and you will see that in a minute. Then it says to wait a few seconds and take it out. Now it also says that if your slime is sticky, you can add a little bit of some activator to it. But my problem here is that if you do it this way, you can end up over-activating the slime very easily. So I think it's better to add a little bit of the activator solution as you need it. My slime was really sticky, so I had to add a lot of activator to it. Also, I think I forgot to mention, but all of the slime kits that I'm reviewing are for $5. Once the slime is completely activated, you can add the glitter. Now you do get 2 packs of glitter, but I only added in 1 and it turned out really nice. This almost felt like a homemade slime, so I was really impressed. Here, using the flash on my phone, I'm showing you guys how holographic the slime is. All in all, I was pretty impressed with this slime kit. It worked really nice, and yeah, I would definitely give this one a thumbs up. Next, I'm going to be testing out this scented slimy glue kit. So it comes with clear glue, cotton candy scent, paint, baking soda, activator, a measuring cup, spoon, and a mixing stick. Again, I'm going to be following the instructions, and here is one problem. In the instructions, they tell you how to make 2 different colors of slime, but they give you 3 colors of paint. So basically, they're not giving you enough glue to actually make 3 slimes. To me, that just does not make sense. So yeah, that's just one thing I wanted to mention. Anyway, the first step is to take 7 milliliters of water and add half of the bottle of clear glue. Now it says to add a 1/4 spoonful of baking soda and mix that in. Now you want to go ahead and add the paint. So I'm going to be coloring this one using blue. And the final step is to start by adding 3 to 5 drops of the activator, and you want to keep mixing that in and add more activator as you need it. I think I didn't mention this, but I do have a cold right now, so if I sound different, that is basically why. So please bear with me. The blue slime is done. Now we have about half a bottle of clear glue, so I'm gonna go ahead and make some pink colored slime. Unfortunately, we don't have enough glue to make purple slime, which is kind of a bummer, but it's whatever. Once these slimes were activated, the final step is to add the cotton candy scent, and the scent was surprisingly nice. It did actually smell like cotton candy. And here are both of the slimes all completed. I do really like the slimes. They feel very nice. Obviously, they're not completely like homemade slime, but for $5, I had a lot of fun making the slimes. So yeah, I would totally recommend this slime kit. And the final kit I'm going to be testing out today is the Nickelodeon Galactic Glitter Slime Kit. So the kit comes with clear glue, slime activator, blue acrylic paint, glitter, and 2 popsicle sticks. In the instructions, it tells you that you can make 3 kinds of slimes using this kit. So I'm of course going to make all 3 of them. The first step is to take 15 milliliters of clear glue and add that to a bowl. Then you have to add about 25 milliliters of water, and you want to mix that in. So in the first slime, you just want to add in the purple glitter, and you have to mix that in. And finally, to activate the slime, you want to add about 5 milliliters of the slime activator and mix that in. So the first slime is done. Now for the second slime, I'm gonna do everything just like I did in the first slime, but instead of adding in purple glitter, I'm going to add some blue paint. And then for the third and final slime, you want to add half a pack of the remaining glitter, and then you also want to add some blue paint. And here are these slimes all completed. I will say that these slimes do have a rubbery feeling to them. It is really nice for the price. Like for $5, it's fun to make this slime, but it is kind of rubbery in my opinion. So yeah, surprisingly, all of these kits work pretty decently in my opinion. You do have to be careful with like the measurements, but other than that, I think they're really good. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.